Let's talk about learning styles, because learning rules.
Did somebody say learning? One second. I love learning. Wait, that's not how you spell it. You forgot the R.
What? Who did that?
Ellie.
Alright, let's start off with visual learners. So right now we have a right triangle and we're going to label it with sides A, B, and C is going to be our hypotenuse. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Alright, let's look at our sides. We're going to label B with 5. And we're going to label A with 12. Let's find C. Alright, we're going to take A, which is 12, and square it. Then we're going to take our B, which is 5, and square that. And that equals C squared, because we don't know what it is. Alright, 12 squared. Anyone know it? Yep, 144. Alright, and 5 squared, it's gonna be 25 equals C squared. Alright, let's add these together. 144 plus 25 is 169. Alright, since C is squared, we have to cancel that square root. So the square root of 169 is going to be 13. So 13 equals C. Great job, everybody. This next one is auditory learners. So we already have our picture drawn here. As you can see, our triangle is already labeled. So we have A equals 12, B equals 5, and we are trying to find C. So we're going to plug all those in. In step 1, it's going to be 12 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. We're going to move on to step 2, 144 plus 25 equals C squared. In step 3, we're going to add together the numbers in step 2, which is going to be 169. And since C is squared, we're going to find the square root of that, which is shown in step 3, and the square root of 169 equals 13. Alright, the last one is kinesthetic learning. So take out a piece of paper. I'll give you time. Seriously, take out a piece of paper. Alright, you're gonna do this one with me. So let's draw our triangle. Yikes, this is harder than it looks. Alright. Let's try that again. Make it big enough so you guys can see. Alright, and we're going to put our right angle in. Now let's label all of our sides, A, B, and C. Okay, A is going to be 12, B equals 5. Write that down. And C is question mark. That is what we're trying to find. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Alright, so let's take our 12 over here and we're going to put it in the equation. So write this with me. 12 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. There we go, A, B, and C. Okay, so we're going to find 12 squared, which is the same thing as writing 12 times 12. And 5 squared is the same thing as writing 5 times 5. All still equal to c squared. Kind of writing diagonal there. Okay, 12 times 12 is 144 plus 5 times 5, 25. Next, we're going to add these two together, which is going to be 169. Write that down, c squared. So right here, we have to cancel that square by taking the square root of both sides. And that is going to be equal to 13. So we're going to change our answer here. Do it with me. All right, nice. Okay, put your hands on top of your head with your hands touching. Is your right hand on top or your left hand? If your right hand is on top, that means the left side of your brain is working stronger than the right side. That's right, right hand on top, left side strong. The same thing goes here. Cross your arms. Is your right arm on top or is your left arm on top? As we said before, if your right arm is on top, the left hemisphere of your brain is working a little harder. There are so many day-to-day things we do without noticing, such as crossing our legs. Is your right leg crossed over or your left leg? Try it. Which one's more comfortable? Somebody might wink at you to grab your attention, but now you know that depending on the eye they wink with, they could be a right-brained or left-brained person. Are you a perfect match? This is a video of a spinning dancer. Now, right-brain students will see this dancer spinning counterclockwise, and left-brain students will see her spinning clockwise. Some people will look at the far right picture and even see her spinning a different direction than the other two pictures. What do you see? Do you see it change? Alright, thanks for watching, listening, and following along. What type of learner are you?